How to stop eviction under Residential Tenancy Act in Ontario. For virgin investors, this is a disclaimer. Information, strategies, and opinions contained in this presentation are provided for general information and convenience only. Since the particulars of each situation may differ and information may change rapidly, one must seek appropriate, qualified professional legal advice before acting based upon any information provided by the World Wealth Builders or any affiliation association. Now, once under the Residential Tenancy Act in Ontario, it provides the protection for both the landlord or the real estate investor and the tenant or the occupant. The Act is also governed by the Landlord and Tenant Board, which is the governing authority in Ontario. Now, what happens in case there's a rental dispute and the landlord is proceeding to have the tenant evicted? The tenant can exercise right to stay in the property. Generally speaking, after filing your proper documentation to the tribunal, you might have to file a writ of possession in the Superior Court of Justice and obtain a eviction order. Eviction orders are already issued by the tribunal. Just to exercise them, you might have to go to Superior Court of Justice and get a writ of possession. Then you have to proceed with the sheriff, and then sheriff does the eviction. Being a professional real estate investor, one can avail the opportunity to make more money by having a proper knowledge. If you are going to be a landlord, it's better that you have a bit of an idea exactly how the laws work in Ontario. The more knowledge you have, the more money you are going to make. The lack of knowledge sometimes could cause you a lot more grief. Once the landlord or the real estate investor has obtained an order of eviction from the Landlord and Tenant Board, and before the eviction from the sheriff, the tenant can file a motion to the Landlord and Tenant Board, provided that the tenant pays an amount to the board and also files a sworn affidavit. Now, this is the key. The tenant must pay an amount to the board and also file an affidavit, and that's where they can stop an eviction though. Now, we have a very special gift package for you containing practical educational material ready to implement now, which is worth about $999. This gift package contains the taxman pay your down payment, let the taxman pay your moving cost, and let the taxman pay for your garden suite. This information is absolutely a gold gem. We want to say thank you very much. Don't forget to be a member of World Wealth Builders to obtain all those gifts. World Wealth Builder is a world-class real estate investor education and mentoring center. Don't forget to visit, and we will see you in the next presentation.